Hello guys, welcome to Tafrija Super TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a perfect YouTube channel which will give you more views and subscribers. Not every channel that will give you more views and subscribers. It depends on how you created the channel. I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. You open your YouTube app. But I told you today I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube channel and get more views and subscribers. Please, if today be your first time of being on my channel, please, I would like you to subscribe. Please, people are making a lot of money on YouTube. At least I'll teach you how to create such a channel and also make money. It's very simple tutorial. So you click on the right top corner. So this one, you go to your channel. So this is the channel that I've created already. So this is how your channel will appear after you have created it. So this is my channel name, DJ Tafrija Super. So you click on create channel. So this is the channel that I've created. I've now created the new channel, DJ Tafrija Super. No subscribers, no videos. So you click on create. Now this is your channel, the settings. So if you want to make any editing, maybe on the channel name, the profile or anything, so you click on the profile and you click on choose photo. Then you go to your photo library or your gallery and you select the picture that you want to use as your channel profile. So you come and select the picture that you want. Please subscribe to this channel, please, because I'm making a lot of tutorial videos which is helpful. So you choose the picture that you want to use as your channel profile. So I will choose this picture as my channel profile. So I'll click on it. So I will zoom it to the size that I want it to appear on my channel profile. After that, I'll click on, so I'll zoom it to the size that I want. After that, I'll click on save. So now the profile is loading. So now I'll add my channel description. So this is the most important part that will make you get many views and subscribers. So in this channel I'll create the description I'll create in this channel. So this is the important part. So in this channel it is a full of music. It's a full of music video. It's a full of music and entertainment. So everybody wants music entertainment. That is why I'm using it. So after that I'll click on OK. So I'll click on save on the three-dotted line at the top right corner. So this is my description, this is my channel name. So I'll click on done. So DJ Tafrija Super. Now this is my channel. It will done in the shortest time. So this is my channel, DJ Tafrija Super. No subscribers, no videos. So this is my channel. Please subscribe to this channel.